Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel, and I hope all of you are doing great and very fantastic. So like every day, today I am talking about a very popular topic, which is the impact of social media in our daily life. So let's start the video. So social media is one of the biggest innovation in the new world. We know that, and it help us our daily life, our daily work, etc. It helps us a lot. We can share our happiness, our sadness, our daily thoughts, right? Our photos, our videos, everything we can share through social media. Also, we can communicate around the world with people, and we connect variety of people around the world, right? Also, we can grow our businesses, our new business through social media by engaging new people. So that's the thing that social media help us in various sector, and also we can enrich our knowledge by seeing videos, in fact educational videos through social media. In social media, many good people share their educational thoughts. Many good people, many good teacher teach their thinking, teach their knowledge on social media. So those who actually want to gain knowledge, they can gain their knowledge on social media. So that's how social media help us in our daily life. Social media not only just has positive side, it has also negative side. Like if we give so much time on social media, if we cannot control our timing on social media, then it can be very harmful for us, for our health. We should use social media for our good use, our social media, social platform for only good purposes, for only positive purpose, not negative purpose. If we use social media, social platform on positive purpose, then it will be great helpful for us. So that's the thing we should do on our social media. So in conclusion, social media is a great innovation for our daily life, for us, for our new world. It has also positive side, it has also negative side, but we should use it our positive way, not negative way. It has positive, it has negative, but we should use it right away. That's how we can improve our communication skill, we can improve our educational skill, etc. through social media. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.